emituko ya chakakurase county ya Kisii asingo kumenyabuna nigo asarenene yaberege kwene kigwa ase skuru yabamura ya Riokindo yogotoka ase bunge yabo machoge borabu magega yo muliro gwateka ase chinsemecho kolengana no morokyo monene Geradorina nigo babere bagosiria enibo gwetania chimilioni inye ase kolende aborokyo babekera sigia kyanda goika 10 babere bagotomwanga chingaki obotuki bogenderete morikito Juliani Kerubo no robotero asinchira yobekiranu
Skuru yabamura ya Riokindo nigegendete konyora sarenene maigayo muliro gwateka ase skuru eyo Gerald Orina no mwalimu monene gwe skuru eyo.
The dormitory is made on is a temporary dormitory made by Mapatis, and the fire just started and it raised the whole dormitory down, and a lot of students lost their property. They lost mattresses and personal belongings and the school beds and even the dormitory itself. I can say a property worth close to 4 million was raised down.
Korengana nere mworo kigwata yonyorete chingoma ase goika bono ekyo kyagereto muliro uyu gwateka gitaranyara kumanyikana asobotuki bwachakiwe.
So we did not have casualties, but as they were learning to put off the fire that had burned their dormitory, a few of them could have gotten some bruises here and there, and they were treated, and they are very in stable condition. The cause of the fire, investigations are still on. We are not able to ascertain the cause of the fire.
Boigo ni gatebire bono mbakonyara gukana gusomuliro uyo ochagetu no muntu asasemeirie obotuki.
We can also not rule out the issue of arson, but I'm sure the investigative agencies are doing their best to piece information here and there together and ensure and give us the cause and the source of the fire. I want to assure the parents that all the students are safe and they are doing well, and even though most of them slept in classrooms last evening, they have woken up well, they have been in class. However, this morning the board of management sat and they passed a resolution that given that the term is coming to a close and our students have completed doing exams, they be released to proceed for their vacation so that they can leave space for the candidates.
Ayanaro abaiboli babwate na gusaba obokonyi gocha ase eskuru eyo.
Bono muna tuika amuigu muro bwate butuko mona kidoba ikya form 4 ikyara muro cha buri yabona tuna barabugaika nande muna bana bara baitu na utwa tubituguru butuko utwa ikira twanyore abana ambao mietiere ko twanyorire lakini yakera twakaro sauri muna baiboli twasebera abana baitu form 4 bajita kwana barabwe tobakuande tomento ko baremia elina matima go jamba twara wasi kyaro mukaso muno wetu kumuriro abana sikolengere.
Tunaomba gavana wetu kwa istome tusiliungua hiyo gharama sio kwa sasa. Tulikuchagua tusaidie upande huo kama sisi kwa sasa.
Sikia usiku gavana wetu Simba Arati alipata kuingia shule yetu ya Riokindo Boys, akapata kuwasaidia mablanketi, bedsheet na vitu zingine zenye zinasaidia wanafunzi wetu. Chenye nilikuwa naomba ni maombi kwa ajili ya shule yetu ya Riokindo Boys.
Abumaragoba umugavana we county ya Kisii na betaka gwika NSMU na kuru obokonyi.
Umefanya ya kutosha, walimu wamefanya kazi nzuri. You know, this is the only school kila mtu anajivunia. Mshaisikia Kisii school imechoteka? Hapana. Kwa sababu wanajiamini. Watu ambao wanajiamini huwezi sikia incident of discipline. Huwezi sikia incident of discipline. ama chochote kibaya, kwa sababu kila mtu is concentrated.
Ingoripoteri Ndizi TV kwa chinsemo chia umachoge ya Borabu Ndoke Julie Kerubo.